Let me show you 4 different seed starting mixes you can use this year if you want to start your seeds indoors. These are in no particular order. Any of these can work for you. Just do whatever works best for you in your area. So what you see here first is sifted compost. So this is compost from my compost pile. I saved this in the fall and brought it into the garage in 2 5-gallon buckets. So I'm going to use this for my seed starting this year. What I did in the fall is I sifted it with a screen that I made. This is a 1/4-inch screen on just some wood put together into a square. And I pour the compost on top of here, and then I just shake it. So I shake it like this into the wheelbarrow, and that's how I filled up these 2 buckets. And you can see how it's a great fine consistency. There's some big pieces in there, but we'll take those out. But it is just perfect black gold sifted compost for starting seeds in, and it's free. So a second thing you can use for seed starting mix is simply something like Jiffy seed starting mix that you can get at a Walmart or a big box store. There's nothing wrong with using Jiffy seed starting mix. That's a perfect mix to use for starting seeds. Number 3, you can use Pro Mix. So Pro Mix is a good all-around potting mix in general. You can get that on Lowe's, Menards, Walmart, those types of places. It's called Pro Mix. It comes in get it in a compressed sized cube, and then you just want to put it in a wheelbarrow, give it some water, and break it up and let it soak up all the water. And it's a great potting mix and seed starting mix to use. If you want to use it as a seed starting mix, you might have to sift it or get out some of the larger chunks. So a 4th thing you can do is you can make your own seed starting mix, which works out great. I've done this in the past. You can buy a bag of peat moss, you can buy a bag of vermiculite, and you can buy a bag of perlite. And there's a certain mixture that you can do and mix those ingredients together and mix them up in a wheelbarrow, wet them down, and you can make your own great seed starting mix that way. And it works out really good if you want to buy all that. So I have a link on my website with an article giving step-by-step instructions and what the mix ratios are for that. Just go to my website at donotdisturbedgardening.com. The link's in my bio, and you can search in the search bar for potting mix or seed starting mix. There's multiple different articles about that, and one of them will be how to make your own. So in the upcoming videos, I'll be talking about how to get your seed starting mix ready and showing you how to do my seeds indoors.